Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there's a problem with our connection to the controller. Open any browser. Copy URL from description and paste it. Click Get. Click Open Microsoft Store. Click Get. Click Update. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.